That hose is like $1 million.
Huh?
Yeah, we'll make it flat.
We don't want like a fucking leak.
Yeah, it has to be straight. Alright, put it up there. See how it works.
Oh, I think the welds would cover it.
Dude, the welds would definitely make it happen.
They were good, man.
This is the cleanest cut we've ever done. Yeah, here, and look at it.
It's not even...
Well, it's with a cutoff wheel. It's not with like the right tool you use to cut pipe, so...
Alright, well, it's good enough.
Yeah, go get the welder, you whore.
So we can't critique you, man.
That's right.
Can we just use all this exhaust and have your shit hanging out like 3 feet?
Oh, like a bozo?
God dang it, oh, these are cool. These are probably expensive.
Gunner's Garage, motherfucker.
Alright, you ready, Brady? No.
Hold on, don't look at...
No, wait.
Don't look at it when he's welding, Brady, alright?
That's...
Okay.
Oh, hell yeah, it's working.
Really? Dude, light it up, bro.
It's going.
Fuck, dude, I don't think these are right for welding.
Okay. My eyes don't hurt that bad.
Alright, there's...
Alright, dude. So, today, I got this shit in the mail. I thought it was just some gummy bears or something. I didn't even know who it came from. And I looked more closely at it, and I saw there was a note. It says, eat a bag of dicks, in case you guys can't read or you're Mexican or whatever it is, you know. So I look at the thing, and these are penises in a bag, and they're gummy bears.
Let me see. Hold one up.
Bro, hold up. Look at this. It's got a head and everything. I mean, this dude has like a chunk out of his testicle.
That is a dick, man. Eat it.
I eat dick.
Alright. Gunner's over here welding. We're welding on his straight pipe for rice build. This is 3. But this is part 3, I think. It should be finished soon. All in Gunner's MR2. And then the Yada. And the faggot.
Alright, we're going to AutoZone to get exhaust. That's what all our subscribers say.
What?
All our active subscribers, all 2 of them.
Oh shit!
Alright, buddy, switch me. Gunner, switch me.
Okay, go.
Shut it off!
Holy shit! That's so loud!
Alright, you fucked up the...
Dude, that's loud as fuck. I don't think it's gonna be that loud.
Oh my god, dude, you're screwed! You can't drive anywhere, bro.
I don't care, I like it though.
Oh my god, bro. I feel so bad for my neighbors.
Right? I be getting home at like 4 in the morning.
Jesus Christ. Oh my
My
god.
Mustang's not even that loud, dude.
Holy
Dude, it's louder than it was.